Start. This appeal is directed against the judgment and order passed by the High Court of Judicature at Indore in Miscellaneous Appeal number 750 of 2004 dated 3/8/2007. By the impugned judgment, the High Court has directed that the custody of the child be handed over to the respondent father. The facts of the case in brief are that the respondent Rajiv Rai had got married to the appellant's daughter Meghna on 16/1/1998 and lived together in Pune, Maharashtra. Srimati Meghna went to Indore to the appellant's residence for delivery of the child. She was admitted in Noble Hospital, Indore, and gave birth to a female child on 25/2001. But she did not survive to see the newborn baby, as the child was born premature. She was kept in incubator in the hospital for nearly 45 days. After discharge from the hospital, the infant was brought to the residence of the appellant and she was named Anamika. Add to the agony, just in a span of 2 months, appellant lost her husband also on 29/7/2001. The respondent herein filed an application under Guardian and Wards Act before the Family Court, inter alia, asserting that being the father of the child, Anamika, he is her natural guardian and therefore entitled to the custody of the child. In support of the claim, the respondent had asserted before the family court that Anamika was not properly looked after by the appellant and it was perilous for the child to continue in the custody of the appellant. The respondent had also contended that after the child was brought to the residence of the appellant, he was repeatedly requesting the appellant and her family members to hand over the custody of the child to him, since the appellant is unable to take care of the welfare of the minor child. In reply, the appellant contended that the respondent had not come to see his daughter when the child was in the intensive care and unit in the hospital. She had further contended that the respondent is living separately from his parents and he has to be away from his hometown most of the time. It was also contended that the financial position of the respondent is not good and he had taken loans from several persons, and in order to repay the same, he had asked for financial help from the appellant and her family members. In a nutshell, her claim before the family court was that it is not conducive for the welfare of the child to be in the company of the respondent. The family court Indore, in its order dated 18/3/2004, has observed that it cannot be concluded that the respondent, although has borrowed money from several persons, will not be in a position to bring up her daughter and bear her educational expense. The court has also taken note of the fact that the child Anamika is taken care by appellant's brother-in-law, who was 2 grown-up children, and therefore it cannot be said that the respondent will not be in a position to take care of the welfare of the child. Stop.